from Mercedes. But if you'll look inside of here, you'll see where the teeth are kind of mauled up. These axles are real hard. They go in there and you get a lot of torquing back and forth from you engaging and disengaging. Where you'll feel this is when you go back and forth between park and reverse. You might feel like a clunk, and you can go underneath and you can see it. It's pretty hard to actually see the play in it. We take the axles out and we have a fixture here that we put them in and we torque them and we can see the play. I've heard of people saying, well, I feel it in the driveway, things like that. Probably not gonna happen. There's too much going on because there's gonna be play here, there's gonna be play in U-joints. No, you need to really pull this apart to validate it.